Okay, today we discuss about the same chapter, that is factorization, and today our topic is about factorization of the expression, the types a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. And we all know that a cube plus b cube is equal to this one, and a cube minus b cube is equal to this one. If any question which is related to this type, so we can solve that question with the help of these identities. Let's suppose now there is a question which is like this one: 64 x cube plus 8. So as we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And the next one is a cube minus b cube. Then we open this as a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Sorry, plus ab plus b square. Clear? So this is a question which is related to this one. And cube is here. Clear? So this question which is related to the first type. So we can solve this like this one. In such type of questions, there should be a two terms and both are in cube. So we can use these identities. If two terms both are in plus, we use the first one. If one is plus and the other is minus, we use the second one. So here we just prime factorization of 64, which is like this one. 2 how many times? 232 times, 216 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times, and 2 once time. Clear? Now, if there is cube, we just take 3 factors. Okay. Now we just write this as this one: 2 multiplied 2 whole cube, which is equal to 4 cube. Okay. The next one, that is, let's suppose we are talking about 8. 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. We take these three as. So we can write 8 as 2 cube, and we can write 64 as 4 cube. So for x whole cube, we can also write this as this one plus 2 whole cube. So here a is equal to, according to this identity, a is equal to 4x, and our b is equal to 2. We just put this a and b over here because our question belongs to this identity. So we just put a and b over here. So actually this is equal to, this is equal to this one. So we put a as 4x and b as 2. So according to this identity, we can say that what is our a? Our a is 4x plus b. B means 2 into, what is our a? Our a is 4x. We just write this as, what is our a? Our a is 4x whole square, because square is there, and minus, What is our a? Our a is 4x. What is our b? Our b is 2. And the last term, that is plus. What is our b? Our b is 2 square. Now we just simplify it. 4x plus 2 into 4 multiply 4, that is 16x square, minus 2 multiply 4, that is 8x plus 4. So this is our final result. There is another question which is related to the second identity. Why? Because there are two cube terms are here, and one is in plus and the other is in minus, so we use the second one. If both are in plus, we use the first one, but in this question one is in plus and the other is in minus, so we use the second one. Okay, first we make the whole term in cube. Let's suppose 125 is there. We just prime factorization of 125 is 525 are 5 5s are 5 1s are. So we write this 125 as 5 cube. So here 5 z whole cube. We can write this as this one. So our solution is like minus 1 whole cube means 1. So now we use this identity. Here first we identify what is our a. Our a is 5 5z. Our a is 5z. And what is our b? Our b is 1. So we just put a and b over here. So what is our a? Our a is 5z minus what is our b? Our b is 1. Now here what is our a? Our a is, we use curly bracket here. What is our a? Our a is 5z square plus what is our a? Our a is 5z into what is our b? Our b is 1 plus what is our b again? Our b is 1 whole square. So we just simplify it. After simplification we get the final result. So this is our 5z minus 1 into 5 square means 20, 5z square means z square, plus 5z multiply 1 is 5z, plus 1 square is 1. So this is our final result. I think it's very simple because there we use only two rules here. The first rule is if question which contain only two terms and both terms are in cube. If both terms are in plus, we use the first, and if one is in plus and the other is in minus, we use the second one. So have a note it.